Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to hide photo on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open your album or photos first, of course. And now you can choose the photo that you wanna hide. For example, here I'm gonna hide this photo, yeah guys. The first photo. And to hide it, you just have to tap on the photo, pick the photo, and tap on this 3-point icon at the top right. And after, you just have to shift it to the left, and we'll see here the option which is the move to the locked folder. Here I'm gonna tap on it and pick the setup lock folder first. We have to set up for the security first or for the code, and now go to the settings. And yeah, in this page, you have to make sure that your phone have a lock screen first, yeah guys. So if we want to see the hide photo at the folder, we have to sign it first with the lock screen. Here I'm gonna tap on this set screen lock and I'm gonna use the pattern one. I'm gonna make it first. And now confirmation, and after tap on done. And yeah, now we have to back to the gallery or the photos before. And do the same ways. Tap on this move to the lock folder and now tap on setup locked folder. And after here, you just have to lock with your pattern locked like this. And yeah, the photo will hide in this folder, yeah guys. Tap on this continue and now tap on move. And we'll see now at these photos or this album, we cannot see the photo before. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.